Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start a new lesson I want, and this lesson is on page number 29. In this lesson, there is one little monkey, and this little monkey is very naughty. He has many desires. He has many wishes, and he wants to fulfill those wishes, those desires. So one day he said something. He said, I want to be big and I want to be strong. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. When he said, "Na, I want to be big, I want to be strong," there was nearby a wise woman, an intelligent woman, a sensible woman, and she heard him saying this. So she said, "You take this magic wand." Magic wand is a jadoo ki chhadi, magic stick. Take this and all your, she said to monkey, that all your desires, all your wishes will take place, will become true. You will have whatever you want, you will get it with the help of this magic wand. Then he said, a giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. Then when she was saying this, now you take this magic wand, at that time a giraffe came, and giraffe stretched his long neck. Stretched his long neck means he pulled his long neck and make it longer, and he ate the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. When monkey saw him doing this, he said, I want a long neck, says little monkey. And as soon as he said, I want a long neck, there was a magic wand in his hand, and the magic wand made a sound pop. And what happened? His neck became very long like giraffe. His neck grows long just like the giraffe. Little monkey is happy. Now, an elephant comes down to the river. After some time, an elephant came down to the river. He fills his trunk with water and he blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. He saw an elephant came there near the river, and he took water in his trunk and he blew all the water upon him. He took bath. No? The elephants take bath like this only. No? They fill water in their trunk and then they blow on them. So when he did like this, the monkey saw him doing this. So he said, I want to do that too. As soon as he said, I want to do that too, there was a sound, bang. And what happened after that? Just like that, he grows a trunk. Magic wand did his work, and what happened? He had a trunk like an elephant. Earlier he had neck like giraffe, now he has trunk like a elephant. Like an elephant. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. This is very interesting. He got very happy and he said, this is very interesting. Whatever I want, this magic wand is giving me, and this is very, very funny. This is very, very interesting. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. See in the picture, he has a neck like giraffe and trunk like elephant. Now when he saw zebra, he said, I want stripes like those, he says. And the sound came from the magic wand, whiz. Little monkey has stripes all over his body. The magic wand worked and he had stripes like zebra on his body. He is now very, very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He goes to the river to put water, to fill water in the trunk and put upon him. So he went down to the river, and there when he looked into the river, he looks down means he looked into the river, He sees himself in the water. He sees himself in the water. What happened? Mother, mother, he cries, help, help, a monster is there, a monster is there. That's not a monster. Monster means a giant, an ugly looking man, a big giant, or an ugly looking creature. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I am looking awful. I am looking very ugly. I am looking very bad. I am looking awful, he says. I want to be myself again. Means I don't want to become anyone else. I want to be what God has made me. When he said, I want to be myself again, there is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. These three sounds came, sounds he heard. What? Pop, bang, and whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the water, into the river, and he never wants to be anyone else again. He said he never wants to be anyone else again. He wants to be himself. Whatever God has made him, he wants to be that only. He doesn't want to become anyone else. See in this picture how he is looking awful ugly. A long trunk, a long neck, an elephant trunk, stripes like zebra, है ना? Looking so bad. So new words what you read in the lesson. Strong. Strong means powerful. Wand. Wand means a stick, a thin stick, a magical stick. Wishes means desires. Blows means to move anything with the help of, or to throw anything with the help of air. Trunk means a long nose of elephant. Monster means a giant or a creature or an ugly creature, a big giant. Okay, these are the new words. Children, we will meet in the next class with the question answers, word meanings, and many more exercises of this lesson. Bye bye.